I'm a director of Beatties Collision Repair Centre and employed Owen and Alpine, his company, to replicate this shed for us, or build this shed for us. Obviously we've done a few other building projects over the years and talked to a couple of other builders, quite a few other builders that I know around town, and explained to them what I was after, and they said to me, all said to me, there's only one place to go as far as what I'm after. So Alpine was the company that we chose, and certainly thrilled with the final outcome right from the initial outlay. We discussed prices, what we're prepared to spend, and just exactly what we got for value for money. Absolutely wrapped with the final result. To be honest, that's probably one of the highlights for me, was the simple fact is I've obviously got enough of my own things going on with their own company, and last thing I wanted was any issues or hassles as far as the building project itself. I didn't have to be involved, and that was the great thing about it. You guys gave me the full rundown of how everything was going to go to schedule, and you certainly, in that respect, you certainly nailed it too. I'm only a phone call away as far as I'm concerned. I'm that confident in the product and the result that we got that I'd certainly highly recommend it to anyone. Certainly feel free to either give me a call. It's not often that you do a project like this and you look back and you generally you'd sort of think, oh, there's things that I would change, and can honestly say, like, there's not a thing I'd change in this project. Like, I'm absolutely thrilled with the final result. It's everything I could have wished for, and value for money. Absolutely outstanding. To be honest, from my perspective, I don't know if there's a whole lot of things you could do a whole lot better. Like I say, the efficiency, the manner and time the staff were on the job. They were here rain, hail or snow, doing the job, getting the project completed on time. Like I say, from start to finish, I couldn't believe the time, the little time that it took to actually do the completed job, and sign it off for me. The other thing is, it's given us the opportunity. It's added a lot of value to our property as well. So we've had our property revalued since we done the stables and the shed, and their valuation's gone up significantly more than what we invested. As you can see, basically we can park 2 vehicles, so this is 24 by 12, and we can park a vehicle in free and stall comfortably around it, and that was one key thing why we went for this particular size of shed. And the thing I like about having the timber framing and the easiness and ability to obviously put your internal walls and your linings, you've got something to fix it to a lot easier than if you were dealing with obviously steel. The other key thing for me is just how light the shed is, like just natural light. That's another big plus. Definitely. You've got such a comfortable environment here. Like, the wife struggles to keep me at the house, to be honest.